Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I make this video to tell about away from school to the hospital. But I wanna introducing myself. So, my name is Aditya Nanta Mahdi. I'm from Nautica level 1. So, this video I make to mid semester. So, the way from school to the hospital is the way from school to the hospital is you must strike on up until you see the bank. After you see the bank, you turn right. After you turn right, you strike on until you see the bridge. And after you get the bridge, you strike on until you see the traffic light. After you get the traffic light, you strike on to the roundabout. After you get the roundabout, you turn left and strike on. If you see the big white buildings, that is the hospital. So that is the way from school to the hospital. I'm Aditya Nanta Mahdi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.